Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's all about the short-eared owl. In this video, although there is a Marsh Harrier puts in an appearance, a barn owl in the distance, a Kestrel. It's quite busy on the marshes. I'm not going to give the exact location, but possibly those of you who know the Norfolk Broads quite well will be able to guess from the background. I just like to protect them if I can. I thought the barn owl was difficult to film because they go backwards and forwards, up and down, suddenly dive down into the grass. But these short-eared owls are definitely a lot harder to film than the barn owl, so forgive the juddering of the footage. You know, it's not easy. A crow comes in and decides to chase off the owl. How successful it was, I don't really know. Not very. Until I was editing this video, I didn't realise that the owl did actually catch something and it's got it in its talons. You can just see it there. And then it drops it. Did he accidentally drop it? Or was it dropped to another owl? I don't know. The owls are certainly pulling in a crowd of people. The car park was full. I was just lucky enough to get the last space. People drive from all over the area to come and see them. And here they are, virtually on my doorstep. So I feel very privileged. Some people are here every evening watching them. So there's lots of chattering in the background and footsteps and photographs being taken that you can hear. So I've just taken the background sound out. You want to watch the owl, not other people, listen to other people's conversations, don't you? These birds fly so fast that the only way really for you to see them clearly is for me to slow the footage down, like here. Look how beautiful it is. Very graceful. Here it is at normal speed and you just can't see anything, can you? Not clearly, not like when I slow it down. So that's why I slow the footage down. I hope you've enjoyed my visit to the marshes. As I'm sure you can imagine, I've lots of footage of this owl, especially the short-eared owl. I have got the barn owl as well, and the kestrel, and the kite, Marsh Harrier. But I think that's it for today. I think that's enough. But I will post the other soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.